Hello, stars. This is your Diva Star, and welcome back to another unboxing episode here on my YouTube channel. And by the way, thank you so much for our new subscribers and to those who've actually watched our recent vlog about Happy Meals, or no, McDonald's Zodiac collectibles. Yan. And in less than 24 hours, we have a new set of Happy Meal McDonald's featuring the very iconic, the mischievous and silly Crayon Shincha. And today we are featuring, yan, we have 10 toys. Isa-isahin natin muna sila. Ano bang name nila? This one is the Super Slider. That's one. Then we have the Happy Meal Box Surprise. Then we have the pop-up passenger on bike. Then we have the, what's this? Hala, McDo restaurant cards. We have the transforming restaurant. The dream spinner. The stacking Dodge ring. And we have the Shinchan, what's this? Kantam Robo Hoopla. So basically, there are 8 new toys to collect. So without further ado, let's go and unbox each toy. Alright, so we have our first toy. This is the Super Slider. And this is the how the box looks like. So there's the instruction right here. Then you have the character illustration. Yan, and you have the iconic Happy Meal smile logo. So it's wrapping paper, no cards inside, just this toy. Okay, so you have to, naku, assemble pala siya. So you have 4 components. Yan. So let's see. So you attach this one, and then follow natin. Okay. Then I think you have to attach this. Baliktad. Ito. Alright, so there are 4 components. So let's assemble. Yan. So put Shincha. Ito na naman ako. Ito. Wait. Here. Baliktad pala. Sorry. Okay. And then, you put this one on top. Okay. Once it's fixed, just put it on top of the slider. And then, for you to release, you'll just have to push it forward. So, let's try. 1. Just hold firmly on both ends and then you release. So yun na siya. Okay, another one. Let's try. 1, 2, and 3. So this is the Super Slider. Alright, let's move on to toy number 2. This is Happy Meal Box Surprise. And let's see what's inside. So, open. Yan. I think pinaka-cute. I think this is the cutest amongst the 8 toys. It's the Happy Meal box. Ayan, o. And syempre, guess who's inside the red box? Ayun. Just have to there. And it can be fixed also. Ang cute! Imagine, nakadungaw siya. So, it can be fixed like that. This is how it looks like at the back part. And yan. So it's like a costume. So, ang cute! Cute for display. So this is the Happy Meal box surprise. All right, let's move on to toy number 3. And this is pop-up passenger on bike. Yan. Parang delivery trike or bike ni McDonald's. So you have your Shincha, and it comes with my stickers. And there's an instruction right here. So it's very, very simple. So this one, lagay natin siya sa wheels. Ito na naman. I really hate stickers. Dapat may tweezers. Right? Just put one right over here. Yan. Then you get the other one. And it will go right over here. Then you have the other part of the front wheel. Dito na yan. Kasi nga hindi siya buo. So, there. And then, the other side, of course, you also have to cover with the stickers. Okay. Here. And yan na siya. So it's very easy, very straightforward toys. Just like in the 90s, because Crayon Shin-Chan was actually released in 1990. So, just a trivia. Ito na. And this one will go... Saan siya? Wait. Okay. This one goes right over here. Yan. So we're now ready. We've assembled all the stickers. We have 3 wheels. Then you have the front part. And yun lang, very straightforward. Yun lang. See? One more time. So, talagang very silly yung character niya. Very funny because he's just a kid. 5 years old. Ayan. So, this is the pop-up passenger on bike. Alright, let's move on to our 4th toy, and I hope you loved the video, so please give it a thumbs up and share this video to all your friends so that you'll get the chance to enjoy the new Happy Meal toys. So this one is the MacD restaurant cards. Paano kaya ito? Let's see. Ayan siya. So MacD restaurant cards. So what's the purpose? So this is solid block, and then nabubuksan ba siya? Ayan. When you open it, there's something inside, and I assume what's inside are cute, tiny little cards. Ang cute to. Ayan siya. And balik na rin natin. Ayan. There are different characters. Ang cute. So cute. Do you remember the names? Ayan. Okay, and then what will happen? So once we have the cards, so we mount the stickers. Ito na. So we have several stickers. I thought stickerless itong set, but it's fine. So buuhin natin. Next time we need tweezers. Ay naku. Ayan. Natanggal na siya. Okay. Ay, ba't natanggal na buo? Buo ba talaga? Ayan. Natanggal na siya buo. Dito lang siya. I thought it's piece by piece. One whole block of stickers talaga siya. So, dyan. Put it here. And then, saan yung iba? Let's check. You still have this. So, I assume you can put it here. Later, we'll mount it. Pero the purpose of the game is memory game. So, there are 2 sets per character. So, see? So, you'll just jumble all the cards and then flip it on the other side. Parang ganyan. Yan. And then, the game here is to get as many correct match for the cards. Okay? So, for example, you open... Okay, hirap. Okay, this one. Then, get this one. So, it's not a match. So, you flip it back. Then, it's your opponent's turn. Nako, here we open. This one. So, this is a game of memory. Okay, not yet match. You close it again. This one. Oops. Hindi pa din. Then, again. Ito ba yun? Yeah, it's a match. So, you get the card and it's still your turn. And so on and so forth. So, it's a game of memory. And as a kid, I really love playing this type of games. This is the MacD restaurant card. So, we will later on put on the rest of the stickers. Ah, ito pala. Here. Let's finish it. Ito pala. Yeah. It's right over here. So, buuin na natin. Kaya lang, I really hate stickers. For For toys. Kasi sometimes, it's not so easy to remove. Nasisira na yung wala ng patience. But I think you need tweezers for this. But later on, sige, later we'll put the rest of the stickers after we shoot. So this is the MacD restaurant cards.
Action.
Alright, we're down to our 5th toy and we call it the Dream Spinner. Yan! So let's see how many components we have. So, okay, so I think it's very, very simple. You just have to... So what's happening? Rotate mo lang. There's a spinner at the middle. So that's how you assemble it. So you just put it right here. There. And then you locked it. Yan. And then, siya? So, there are 2 types. So, different expressions of Shin-chan. And then, there's a Happy Meal box. Also dreaming of a Happy Meal today. Will you buy this toys this weekend? And there's the burger. And yeah, so this is very, very cute crayon Shin-chan Dream Spinner. Alright, this one is quite interesting. This is the Transforming Restaurant. Yeah. And parang ang dami niyang stickers. Yeah. You have 2 sets of stickers. And this is the Transforming Restaurant. Ang cute. So it's like a small restaurant. And it can transform to a robot, I assume. Ayan. Oh, there. Naging robot na siya. And of course, you have to decorate it with the different stickers. The first one, balik natin siya. There. Okay, this one looks like a Happy Meal or a McDonald's restaurant. So, ito yung mga stickers niya. And then, ito naman, when he transforms to a robot. So, there's a guide kung saan mo siya i-mount. There you go. There you go. So, let's transform and mount the stickers. Ayan. In 3, 2, 1. Yay! So, voila! We've already mounted the stickers. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Diba? It's so cute. So cute. So, this is the McDonald's restaurant. And the fun part about this is that it can transform into a robot. Ang cute. Oh. Ay, iyan pala siya. Ayan. So this is the transforming restaurant. Sige nga, balik natin siya ulit. Ang cute. Ay, paano siya? Ganun muna pala. There. Cute. Parang... Alright, next in line is stacking Dodge Ring. Okay. Again, if you love the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, this is the stacking Dodge Ring. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin? So, I think from the word itself, stacking, so just have to, the game here is for them not to fall. Like that. There. And then, what's this for? Ano ka ganyan? So, para saan siya? So, this is a game of balance. Ito na nga. So, after you assemble these 4 items, then, ay, naku, kailangan mag-balance ka. So, you put the ring on top, and it should not fall. And yan! There you go. So, this is the stacking Dodge Ring. Alright, the last toy, this is the Shin-Chan Kantam Robo Hoopla. Again, you can refer to the instructions on the side. Okay. Let's open. Hala, what's the name of this character? He's a secondary character, but he's also very famous. His name is Action Kamen. Yan, Action Kamen. So, this is what's inside the box. So, I think you have 3 components. Okay, so, 4. 4 components. So, I think you put tama ba? Kasi wala naman ng ibang butas. Pag ganon. And then, pag ganon. There. So, all you need to do is to make sure that this is the hoopla. So, mag-shoot lang siya. Dapat ma-shoot mo lang siya. Nako. Here. So, right there. 1, 2. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. So, yun lang pala yung game. 1, 2. There! Very easy. So, you can play it with your neighbors, with your friends, and paramihan kayo ng shoot. Just have to shoot the hoopla sa kanya. Okay? And that's about it, stars. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing video. If you loved the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends and family. And it's another wonderful weekend, and I wish that you collect all these toys and enjoy unboxing and assembling these cool toys from Happy Meal McDonald's, the Crayon Shin-Chan. So again, this is your Diva Star, and happy unboxing! All right, cheers!